Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Xiaomi 12 with a very unresponsive display, so we can't really do anything about it. So let's go fix it. So we're gonna try to shut this phone down, but unfortunately we can't really do anything about it at this point. So we'll try to open this up with it being turned on. We're gonna remove the back cover slowly. The Xiaomi is in a gorgeous light blue color. We'll slice through the sides here and work our way around the other side until we can make a big considerable gap on the back of the smartphone. There you go. I'm gonna put that back cover on the side and lay the smartphone on the table. We're gonna unscrew the screws here and peel off this film to expose the daughter board, where you can find the display connector on the corner, which is very convenient for testing our replacement display. We have our replacement display here. We'll see if it's gonna show us something or not. We'll plug in the charger. And there you go, Xiaomi logo. I'm gonna turn this off now. Maybe David is gonna turn this on without the charger to just confirm that it's working on its own power. And now we can input our pattern to access the home page or home screen. And we're just gonna shut this down immediately, so save time. And we'll detach the replacement board and reconnect the existing one just to confirm it's still working. There you go, it's not really working. Nothing we can do about it. We'll try to remove this old display and replace it with this working display. We have the SIM card tray on the same side where you can find the display connector, so we'll remove that off the frame. Then we're gonna detach some flex cables as well. So at the front we have detached the front display. It's also attached via adhesive, so the same with the back cover. We just perform the exact same process with extra care this time because some of the electronics are already exposed. We don't want to incur more damage to other components. We're gonna clean the housing where the new layer of adhesive will be applied to, so that we can install the replacement display. We'll work our way around the housing, apply sufficient amount of liquid adhesive so it can hold on to the replacement display, not fall off while you're using it or when the smartphone is in a high temperature state. And this is a replacement display, very brand new. We have lots of protective plastic film. Remove them all, especially this one. We also have cutouts for the front camera. It's important that we keep them clean before we install it. We'll just align it, make sure it's aligned, and press it in. That's it. We're gonna go back around the device at the back and reinstall all the cables. Gonna put them all back in. There you go. So the rest will be the reassembly process. Put everything back into place, reconnect the cables that needs to be reconnected, and test, then give it back to the client. So if you have a Xiaomi 12 that needs a new display, needs a new battery, just head on over to Sydney CBD Repair Centre or to a local repair service technician. You can also DIY this process if you have the inclination, tools, and experience, because it's rather easy. But if you don't have the time, let David do the job for you, and it will be a quick job for a professional like him. And as you can see here, very detail oriented. Clean up the excess adhesive on the front display to make it look fresh from the factory. This is all working now. We're just gonna wait for the client to pick up their smartphone, and like and subscribe if you find this useful or informative, or if you enjoyed this video or you learned something from it. Give us a like and leave us a comment if you are so inclined to do so. So that's it for us. We're just gonna put back the back cover after we have cleaned up the front camera. Some condensation inside it, and this is gonna be it. It's the final result. So we'll see you again next time, guys. Take care of yourself. Saves some phones and give them a second chance in life. Till next time, take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.